Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. For which reaction from the following will have maximum entropy change? And these are the following reactions given to us in the form of the options. So सबसे पहले हम इस question का key concept देखेंगे. And the key concept of this question is entropy. Now let us see entropy क्या होता है. Entropy basically tells about the randomness of the substance, or we can write it is measure of randomness or disorderness of the system. And entropy को हम represent करते हैं S से. Now let us discuss more about this. Let us say we have solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. And जो हमारे पास solid state होगी उसमें जो particles होंगे वो बहुत ही compactly arranged होते हैं. And due to which जो entropy होगी, randomness of the particles होंगी वो बहुत कम होगी. So जो हमारे पास entropy होगी वो भी कम होगी. And if we have the liquid state, then जो particles होंगे वो कुछ space पे present होंगे और they have some distance between them. So by this we can say जो हमारे पास entropy होगी for the liquid state, that will be more as compared to the solid. But next we can see for the gas, and for gas जो particles होंगे वो बहुत दूर दूर present होंगे. And by this we can say जो हमारे पास entropy होगी gas की वो सबसे ज़्यादा होगी. So this will be the entropy for solid, liquid and gas. Now according to the given question हमसे पूछा गया है कि maximum entropy change किस में आएगा. So जो entropy change है that is written as delta S. And entropy change जो है या तो positive हो सकता है, हमारे पास positive होगा means ज़्यादा entropy change आएगा. And this is possible जब हमारे पास जो number of gaseous moles होंगे products के, which we can write as NP, that will be more as compared to the number of gaseous moles of the reactants, which is represented as NR. So जो हमारे पास change in entropy होगा वो ज़्यादा होगा, and change in entropy हमारे पास negative होगा जब जो number of moles होंगे of the product that will be less as compared to the number of moles of the reactant. And this is about the gases. And it can be 0 jab these will be equal. Now let us discuss more about this. Now for the reaction we always see the change in the number of moles, and that can be represented by the delta Ng, and change in the number of moles of gases के हम देखेंगे, for which it will be difference between these number of moles of the gaseous product and the number of moles of the gaseous reactants. So now let us see for the given reactions. जो हमारे पास first reaction है in which we can see calcium जो है that is the solid plus half oxygen leads to the formation of calcium oxide. So for this we can see जो हमारे पास change in number of moles of gases आएगा, that will be in the product हमारे पास solid form हो रहा है, gas नहीं है, so it will be 0. And in this reactant we can see हमारे पास oxygen एक gas present है, so it will be -1/2. half mole है हमारे पास, so ये आएगा हमारे पास minus में 1/2. Now let us see for the next reaction in which calcium carbonate solid form में है, it leads to the formation of the calcium oxide, and along with this carbon dioxide gas का formation होगा. Now for this we can see जो हमारे पास change आएगा delta Ng, that will be equals to the 1 mole of the carbon dioxide gas है हमारे पास. So ये तो solid है calcium oxide, so minus करेंगे we can see कोई reactant gaseous form में नहीं है, so it will be 0. So 1 आ गया हमारे पास for this reaction delta Ng का value. Now let us see for the next one in which carbon and oxygen gas combine करेगा, then it leads to the formation of the carbon dioxide जो ये gas है. delta Ng अगर हम देखेंगे that is the change in the number of moles of the gases, and that is the product में हम देख सकते हैं 1 CO2 है and in the reactant 1 oxygen, so it will be 0. Now let us see for the last reaction जो हमारे पास है, in which nitrogen gas जो है that combines with the oxygen gas and it leads to the formation of the 2NO, and this is also a gas, and change देखेंगे हम, then it will be 2 minus 1 plus 1, ये हमारे पास 1 1 है, दोनों गैसेस स्टेट में है, so ये आएगा 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now in this we can check जो हमारे पास मैक्सिमम एंट्रोपी चेंज होगा that will be maximum for that जिसका डेल्टा एनजी का वैल्यू हाईएस्ट होगा, so this is 0. For this reaction it is 0, for this reaction it is 1, and for above reaction it is minus 1 by 2, so maximum किसके लिए है for this reaction, and by this we can say जो हमारे पास आंसर होगा that will be option B, maximum entropy change होगा in the reaction B. So this is the final answer of this question. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.